concepts. Suppose if I take 6, any natural number which divides 6 and gives a remainder 0, they are called the factors of 6. 6 by 1, remainder 0. 6 by 2, remainder 0. 6 by 3, remainder 0. 6 by 6, remainder 0. N could be any number. If I divide n by x and the remainder is 0, then x is said to be a factor of n. Then x is said to be a factor of n. Remainder when n is divided by x, remainder 0, then x is a factor of n. X is a factor of n. For example, if there is a number 12, let me first write down the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 12. 3 is a factor of 12. 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. 12 is also a factor of 12. So, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Step number 1. Write down these numbers as a product of prime bases. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So, 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. One is to write down all the factors and count it. How many factors are there for this number? Number of factors for this number is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 factors are there. But instead of 12, if it is 120, 360, 2000, 5000, finding out the number of factors through counting will be very cumbersome approach. So step number 1. We will use fundamental principle of counting. We will use fundamental principle of counting to find out the number of factors. Fundamental principle of counting. 2 square into 3 power 1. Write down all the powers of 2 starting from 0. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Write down all the powers of 3 starting from 0 to 1. Starting from 0 to 1. Now if you observe, 1 into 1, 1 is a factor of 12. 1 into 3, 3 is a factor of 12. 2 into 1, 2 is a factor of 12. 2 into 3, 6 is a factor of 12. 4 into 1, 4 is a factor of 12. 4 into 3, 12 is a factor of 12. That means write down all the powers of 2 starting from 0 to the given power. 0 to 2, there are 3 cases are there. Write down all the powers of 3 from 0 to 1. 3 into 2, total 6. There are 6 factors for 12. That means to find out the number of factors for a given number, we will write the number as a power of prime basis. Step number 1. Starting from 0 to 2, it is 3. Starting from 0 to 1, it is 2. 1 is this event of taking all the powers of 2, then taking all the powers of 3. 3 into 2, answer is nothing but 6. Answer is nothing but 6. More and more examples we will solve, the more and more clarity we will get it. Suppose n is nothing but 360. 360 as a power of prime basis is 8 into 9 into 5. 8 as a power of prime basis is 2 cube. 9 is nothing but 3 square. And this is nothing but 5 power 1. Step number 1. First question. Find the total number of factors. Listen carefully, sir. Find the total number of factors. How to determine the number of factors? From 0 to 3. Total 4 cases are there. From 0 to 2, total 3 cases are there. From 0 to 1, total 2 cases are there. These nothing but 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. 5 power 0 to 5 power 1. 4 into 3 into 2. Totally how many factors are there for this number? 24. Why it is into this event is happening? Power of 3 I am taking after I took the power of 2. Power of 5 I am taking after taking the power of 2 and 3. Total 24 factors are there for this number. Second case, total number of total number of prime factors. Total number of prime factors. What do you mean by total number of prime factors? Factors which are prime numbers. Factors which are prime numbers. Factors which are prime numbers. What are all the prime powers that are possible? Possible are 2 power 1, 3 power 1 and 5 power 1. 2 power 0, 1 is a composite number. 2 square, 4 is a composite number. Any power of a prime number other than 1, any other number, it will become neither prime nor composite or composite. 2 square, 4 is composite. 2 cube, 8 is composite. 2 power 4, 16 is composite. So total number of prime factors are nothing but factors which are prime numbers. Next concept, total number of total number of composite factors. Total number of composite factors. Total number of composite factors. How to determine the total number of composite factors? So, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 plus total number of prime factors. 1 plus total number of prime factors plus total number of composite factors. Total number of prime factors plus total number of composite factors will give you total factors. Will give you total factors. Will give you total factors. That means composite factors this way require. Total factors is 24 minus of y1 we have taken 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 plus total number of prime factors which is 3. 24 minus 4. Answer is nothing but total number of composite factors is 20. Total number of composite factors is 20. Total number of factors will be 0 to 3, 4, 0 to 2, 3, 0 to 1, 2. 4 into 3 into 2 is 24. Total number of prime factors. Prime factors are the factors which are prime numbers. The only prime number in this case is 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. So which is 3. Total number of prime factors, it is 3. Total number of composite factors is total factors minus of 1 plus total number of prime factors. 1 is neither prime nor composite. First variety, second variety, third variety. Next one. If n equivalent to 360, 360 it is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Next, find the total number of, not a single doubt, you will get it in factors and multiples using fundamental principle of counting. Find the total number of even factors. Total number of even factors. What do you mean by even factors? Even factors means factors which are even numbers. Factors which are even numbers. Factors which are even numbers. Any even number is of the form 2k. 2 into. Remaining it is nothing but 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. So these are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 2. Therefore it becomes an even. How many factors are there for this number? 0 to 2, 3. 0 to 2, 3. 0 to 1, 2. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Again I am repeating. Total number of even factors. Even factors means factors which are even numbers. Any even number is of the form 2k. 2 into 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. 0 to 2, 3. 0 to 2, 3. 0 to 1, 2. 9 2s are, answer is nothing but 18. Second question. Find the total number of odd factors. Find the total number of odd factors. Total number of odd factors. You can do it in two ways. Method number 1. Total factors minus total number of odd factors. Total factors minus total number of odd factors. Total factors is 24. Total number of odd factors, right? So it is total number of even factors. Even factors, it is nothing but 18. 24 minus 18, it is nothing but 6. This is a negation rule. Method number 2. The number that is given is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Odd factors. Odd factor means factors which are odd numbers. Factors which are odd numbers. Factors which are odd numbers. Odd number is never divisible by 2. Eliminate the powers of 2. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 3 into 2, 6. Either you can take only power of 2 power as 0. 2 power 0 is 1. So instead of that, take only the odd factors. Take only the odd factors. How to find out the total number of even factors? Any factor which is an even number is of the form 2k. So 2 into 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. So these is nothing but the total number of factors is 3 into 3 into 2. Total number of odd factors is total factors minus total number of even factors. 24 minus 18 is 6, or eliminate the powers of 2. Or eliminate the powers of 2. I hope it is clear. Another model. N is 360. N is 360. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the factors which are multiples of 12. 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 Any factor which is a multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3. Remaining it is 2 power 1, 3 power 1 and 5 power 1. These are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 12 and becomes a multiple of 12. How many factors are there for this number? 2 into 2 into 2. Answer for this question is 8. Answer for this question is 8. Any multiple of 2, it is an even factor. So 2k. Any multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. 12 is 2 square into 3. So remaining it is 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. One more question. Any factor which is a multiple of 30. Any factor which is a multiple of 30. Factors which are multiples of 30. Any factors which are multiples of 30. It is nothing but 30k. 30 it is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5. Remaining it is 2 square into 3 power 1. Total how many factors are there? 3 into 2, which are 6. I hope it is clear. Another question. A factor which are not multiples of 12. Any factor which are not multiples of 12. Factors which are not multiples of 12. A factor which are not multiples of 12, it is nothing but total factors minus factors which are multiples of 12. Total factors are 24 minus factors which are multiples of 12, which is nothing but 8. 24 minus 8, which is nothing but 16. I hope it is clear how to find out the number of factors, how to find out the number of even factors, how to find the number of odd factors, how to find out the number of prime factors, composite factors, how to find out the factors which are multiples of k and the factors which are not multiples of k. I hope the idea it is clear. Next side heading. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. Suppose if I take a number 12. Suppose if I take a number 12. What are the factors of 12? Let us first write. The factors of 12 are 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 12 is a factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are all the factors. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors, it is nothing but write down all the factors and add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. These are the sum of the factors. So how to do it? First write down the 12 as a power of prime bases. 2 square into 3 power 1. Let me see what is happening. If I add all the powers of 2, starting from 2 power 0 to 2 power 2. Then add all the powers of 3, starting from 0 to 1. 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. These is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 3. So if I multiply 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Isn't it nothing but the sum of the factors of 12? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. Idea it is clear. So how to find out the sum of the factors? Step number 1. Write the number as a power of prime bases. Start from the lowest power. Go add till the power that is given in the question. So do it from one base to another base. Suppose if it is n is 360. 360 it is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. So what will be the sum of the factors? Sum of the factors for these number. Sum of the factors for these number will be given by 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. Next it is 3 power 0, 3 power 2. Next it is 5 power 0, 5 power 1. These are nothing but the sum of the factors for the given number. I hope the idea it is clear. Everywhere I am using fundamental principle of counting. Everywhere I am using fundamental principle of counting. One event after the another event. One event after the another event. I hope it is clear. Sum of the factors. Then from permutation and combination, this can also be asked. N is 360, 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Another question. Sum of the even factors. 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 This question is of two types. One is even factor. We have to find it out, and then we have to find the sum of all even factors. Even factor. Any factor which is even. Any factor which is even is of the form 2k. So these are nothing but 2 into 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. How many even factors are there? 3 into 3 into 2. Total 18 even factors are there. Total 18 even factors are there. Any even factor is of the form 2a1, 2a2, 2a3 and so on up to 2a18. Are you all with me? 2a1, 2a2, 2a3 till 2a18. All are even factors. So any even number is of the form 2k. Next, first I found out the even factors. Next it is sum. Take 2 common. 2 into a1 plus a2 and so on up to a18. a1 plus a2 plus a3 till a18. These are the sum of the factors. From where we got 18? From here. So it is nothing but 2 into. For 2 power 0, what is the sum of the factors? 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2. 3 power 2, what will be the sum of the factors? 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 5 power 1, what will be the answer? 5 power 0, 5 power 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Again I am explaining. Sum of the even factors. First I found out the factors which are even. Any even number is of the form 2k. 2 into. Remaining is 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. So 3 into 3 into 2. Total 18 even factors I got. Even factors are of the form 2a1, 2a2, 2a3 and so on up to 2a18. 2 common. These are nothing but the sum of the factors. From where we got 18? From this number. 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0 to 1. Suppose if it is sum of odd factors. Sum of odd factors. Sum of odd factors, it is nothing but total sum of factors. Total sum of factors minus sum of even factors. Minus sum of even factors. I will get the answer sum of odd factors. I hope the idea it is clear. Sum of even factors and sum of odd factors. Next one, product of the factors. Next one, it is product of the factors. Let us see what is product of the factors. Suppose if I take a number 12, what are the factors of 12? Let us list the factors of 12. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 12 is a factor. Let me take another number which is a non-perfect square. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 9 is a factor, 12 is a factor, 18 is a factor, 36 it is a factor. Now I want product of the factors. Now I want product of the factors. Product of the factors for n equivalent to 12. If it is 12, what will be the answer? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. So these is nothing but 1 into 12 it is 12. 2 into 6 it is 12. 3 into 4 it is 12. Answer is 12 power 3. Answer is 12 power 3. This I will write it as 12 power 6 by 2. Because total 6 factors are there. There are doublets which will give the product 12. 12 power 6 by 2. Similarly, product of the factors. Product of the factors. For n equivalent to 36. 36, let us see what we are getting. 36. 36 is 1 into 36. 2 into 18. 3 into 12. 4 into 9. So 36 power 4 into 6. 6 is 36 power 1 by 2. These is nothing but 36 power 9 by 2. 36 power 9 by 2. 36 is the number. 9 is the total factors. 12 is the number. 6 is the total factors. Extremely important point. Product of the factors is given by number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Product of the factors is given by the logic. Number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Very, very important logic. Product of the factors it is given by number power number of factors by 2. Please make a note of it. Product of the factors it is given by number power number of factors by 2. Find the product of factors. Find the product of factors for n equivalent to 100. Find the product of factors for n equivalent to 100. Answer is nothing but 100 is 2 square into 5 square. So answer is number power number of factors by 2. So it is 100 power 3 into 3 by 2. Answer is 100 power 9 by 2. Why it is coming in fraction? Because there is a factor 10. 10 can be written as 100 power 1 by 2. 100 power 1 by 2. 100 is a perfect square. Find the product of the factors for n equivalent to 100. Answer is 100 power n by 2. Next one. N is 360. 360 it is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the first question. Product of even factors. We did sum of even factors. Now we will do product of even factors. Find the product of even factors. Find the product of even factors. What will be the answer? Let us see. First we will find out the factors which are even numbers. Any even number is of the form 2k. So 2 into remaining it is 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. 3 into 3 into 2. It is nothing but 18 factors. 18 factors are even. 2a1, 2a2, 2a18. These are the 18 factors which are even. Product multiply 2 into 2 into 2. So it is 2 power 18 into A1, A2 till A18. A1 into A2 till A18. What is these 18 factors? From where we got? From here. So it is nothing but product of the factors is number power number of factors by 2. Number, it is 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. It is nothing but 18 by 2. Same like sum of even factors. In sum of even factors, I found out a factor. Then what I did? I did the summation. Here I will do multiplication. 2a1, 2a2 till 2a18. It is nothing but 2 to 2 multiplied 18 times 2 power 18. Into A1 into A2 till A18. Product of the factors is given by the logic. These are the 18 factors for which number? This number. Number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Next one. Product of odd factors. Product of odd factors. It is very easy. Product of odd factors, it is nothing but Pn equivalent to product of the factors is product of even factors into product of odd factors. Product of factors, it is nothing but product of even factors into product of odd factors. I hope the idea it is clear. Kindly reply everybody if these concepts are clear to you. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat. Factors, prime factors, composite factors. Factors which are multiples of k, factors which are not multiples of k. Sum of the factors, sum of the even factors, sum of the odd factors. Product of factors, product of even factors, product of odd factors. I hope this idea it is clear. You can ask me doubts in case if you have any. Kindly reply in case if this idea it is clear to you. Is the idea clear? Everybody. Now we will solve some previous year exam questions so that you will not get any doubts. Number of divisor and factors both are synonyms. Divisors and factors both are synonyms. Number of factors for 360. 360 it is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. So total number of factors will be 4 into 3 into 2. Answer is nothing but 24. What is these 4? 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. What is these 3? 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. 2 it is nothing but 5 power 0 to 5 power 1. 4 into 3 into 2. Answer it is nothing but 24. Number of factors. Now it will be clear. Number of odd factors. 1800 is 18 into 100. 18 it is 3 square into 2 power 1. 100 it is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. So these nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. Odd factors means it can never be divisible by 2. 0 to 2, 3 cases. 0 to 2, 3 cases. 3 into 3. Answer is nothing but 9. Answer is nothing but 9. 3 into 3. Answer is nothing but 9. Number of odd factors. Once the concepts are clear, then you can do it on your own. 2250. This is nothing but 225 into 10. 225 is 15 square. 10 is 2 into 5. 15 is nothing but 3 into 5 whole square into 2 into 5. These is nothing but 2 power 1 into 3 square into 5 cube. It is an odd factor. It is not possible. So these is nothing but 3 into 4. These are all the options are incorrect. So these is nothing but 3 into 5 square. 2 power 1 into 3 square into 5 cube. So 3 into 4. Answer is nothing but 12 factors. Answer is nothing but 12 factors. I hope the idea it is clear, right? It is nothing but 12 factors. Now, sum of the divisors. Divisor is nothing but a factor. How to find out the sum of the factors? Already we have seen 360, it is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Write all the powers of 2 starting from 0 to 3. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 5 power 1 is nothing but 5 power 0, 5 power 1. So these is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 into 1 plus 3 plus 9 into 1 plus 5. So these are nothing but 15 into 13 into 6. 15 into 13 into 6. Now see here. These are nothing but 15 into 13 into 2 into 3. 15 2s are 30. 13 3s are 13 9. These are nothing but 1170. Answer for this question is 1170. Simple concept based on sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. Product of the factors for 2700. 2700 is nothing but 27 into 100. 27 into is 3 cube. 100 is 2 square into 5 square. Totally, what is the product of the factors? Concept is number power number of factors by 2. Number is nothing but 2700. Number of factors will be 4 into 3 into 3 divided by 2. So 9 2s are 18. Answer is 2700 power 18. Once you know the concept, a product of the factors is given by the logic number power number of factors by 2. A product of the factors is given by the logic number power number of factors by 2. Next one, another question. The sum of all the factors, divisor it is nothing but sum of all the factors of the least natural number, smallest natural number, sum of the factors we require having 8 divisors. That means the number has got 8 factors. Number has got 8 factors. 8 can be written as, keep on writing the number until it cannot be further decomposed. That means every element should be nothing but a prime number. 8 is nothing but 1 into 8, 2 into 4, 2 into 2 into 2. 1 into 8 is nothing but P1 power 0 into P2 power 7. Can I write 0 only will give you 1 case. 7 means 0 to 7 I will get 8 cases. 2 means power should be 1. Then only 0 to 1 I got 2 cases. 4 is nothing but P2 power 3. 0 to 3 is 4 cases. Here it is nothing but P1 power 1. Here it is P2 power 1. Here it is P3 power 1. Here it is P3 power 1. What are P1, P2, P3 here? P1, P2, P3. All these are nothing but the prime numbers. All these are, every natural number can be written as a power of a prime number. Question is smallest natural number. What is the smallest prime number? 2 power 7, 128. Here it is smallest. Smallest means first I will give 2 cube into 3 power 1. Here if I give the smallest prime numbers 2 into 3 into 5, these is nothing but 30. 2 cube into 3 power 1, this is the smallest number. So smallest number which has got 8 factors is 2 cube into 3 power 1. What do we require? We require sum of the factors. Sum of the factors it is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Next it is 3 power 0, 3 power 1. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12, 14, 15. 15 into 4. 15 into 4. Answer is nothing but 60. A very, very good question, sir. There is a number which has got 8 factors. The number which has got 8 factors could have single prime number, could have 2 prime numbers, could have 3 prime numbers. Sir, can't it have 4 prime numbers? Think logically. P1 power 1, P2 power 1, P3 power 1, P4 power 1. 1 means 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Total 16 factors I will get. So till 3 it is possible. Because it's a least natural number, I have to give 2, then I have to give 3, then I have to give 4. So 2 power 7, it is 128. It is larger. 2 cube into 3 power 1. 2 into 3 into 5. 30, it is small, greater than 24. So 2 cube into 3 power 1. So given a number is there, we can determine the factors. Given a factor is there, we can determine the number. We can determine the number. I hope this question is clear. This is a very, very good question. Number of ways 420 can be resolved into 2 relatively prime factors. First, write down relative prime. Relative prime or co-prime. Relative prime or co-prime. Both are same. Relative prime or co-prime. Both are same. 2 numbers are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. If A and B are co-prime to each other. If A and B are co-prime to each other, then their HCF is 1. Relative prime numbers and co-prime numbers both are synonyms. 2 numbers are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. Next one. If the variables are not present in the question. If the variables are not present in the question. If the variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. Then it is an unordered pair. Then it is an unordered pair. For example, 72 is there. Let me write down as a product of 2 numbers. Then I will do 2 co-primes. 2 into 36. 3 into 24. 4 into 18. 6 into 12. 8 into 12. Reverse cannot be possible because in an unordered pair, A comma B is equivalent to B comma A. Reverse cannot be taken. Order does not matter here. Now I need to take it as a product of 2 co-primes. 2 even numbers can never be co-prime. 2 multiples of 3, it can never be co-prime. 2 even numbers cannot be. 2 multiples of 3 cannot be. How many cases we got? I got 1 case here. I got another case here. So 72. It is 2 power 3 into 3 square. Please write down number of ways. Very, very important concept. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of 2 co-primes. As a product of 2 co-primes. It is given by 2 power p minus 1. P is the count of prime bases. P is the count of prime bases. I will tell you why it is 2 power p minus 1. Why it is 2 power p minus 1. Extremely important point. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of 2 co-primes, it is given by 2 power p minus 1. What is p? P, it is nothing but the count of prime bases. 2 power p minus 1. It is count of prime bases. Why 2 power p came? It is actually half of 2 power p. Because half the reverse cases, 72 into 1, 36 into 2, all are eliminated. Why 2 power p can come? See here, n is 72. 72 is 2 power 3 into 3 square. Each place, either it can take lowest or it can take highest. Yes or no? 1 into 72 or 8 into 9. Each place can be taken by either the lowest power or the highest power. Each place can be taken by either the lowest or the highest. That many prime bases are there, so that many 2 powers will come. So this place can be taken by either the lowest or the highest. This place can be taken by either the lowest or the highest. 2 into 2, 4. Half of the cases are reverse cases. It should be eliminated. 2 power p minus 1 we got, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into 2 power p. Why 1 by 2? Half of the cases are reverse, which can be eliminated. Each value can be either the lowest or the highest. Each value can be either the lowest or the highest. Extremely important point, sir. Please write down. In how many ways? A into B equivalent to N. A comma B are coprime. A comma B are coprime. In unordered pair, what do you mean by unordered pair? If the variables are not present in the question. Unordered pair. In unordered pair, if variables are not present in the question, if the variables are not present in the question, it is an unordered pair. If the variables are present in the question, if the variables are present in the question, then it is an ordered pair. Ordered pair answer is 2 power p. Unordered pair answer is 1 by 2 into 2 power p. So 1 by 2 into 2 power 420, it is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 7 5s are 35, 105, 105 4s are. So it is 2 square. How many prime bases are there? 4. So 2 power 4 into half. What will be the answer? 16 by 2, 8. 16 by 2, 8. 16 by 2. It is nothing but 8. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two coprimes, it is given by half of 2 power p or 2 power p minus 1. 2 power 4 minus 1, which is 16 by 2, which is nothing but 8. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two coprimes? Coprimes and relative primes, both are same. If there is any enrolled student who is watching the class who is not getting the class links, kindly WhatsApp to our official number which you are seeing it on the screen. I will add you to a broadcast where only the enrolled students are getting the class links. Permutation and combination. Session number 12 we are in. Session number 12. Day after tomorrow PNC is getting over. So, unordered pair and an ordered pair. Kindly take your mobile, WhatsApp in case if you are an enrolled student but you are not getting any class links. Right? I hope it is clear. Next one. Problems based on rank. Listen carefully, sir. Problems based on rank. How students will solve, then how Anil Nair will solve. Traditional method. Traditional method. Listen carefully. What is the rank of the word master? Rank of the word master. Step number 1. Write it in alphabetical order. Write the letters of the word in alphabetical order. First A will come. Next A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. O, P, Q, R, S, T. These are the alphabetical order. Write down in an order. Then I will tell you a magical shortcut, sir. Step number 2. Because it's a 6-letter word. In a dictionary, it will start with A. Remaining 5 letters can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial, which is 120. All the words which are starting with A, they are over. Then next letter is E. All the letters starting with E, 5 factorial, it is 2, 120. It is over. Then it will start with M. What is the next first letter that will come? A. Next, go to the second letter. What is the first letter that will come? A. We require MA only. After A, what is the next letter will come? E will come. In a alphabetical order. Remaining 3 letters of the word. It is 3 factorial. It is 6. Next one. After M, A is okay. That is what we require. After E, what if not E, M duplicate, it will not happen. So, it is R. 3 letters word will come. 3 factorial, it is 6. Next, it is nothing but S. Yes, we require M-A-S-T-E-R. After S, what is the first letter that will come? These is nothing but M-A-S-T. I hope it is clear. After S, M-A-S, these over, M-A-S. So after that, which letter will come? E will come. E means next 2, it will be in 2 factorial, which is 2. Next one, after S in the alphabetical order, what will come? Again R will come. Again 2, it is nothing but 2. Next, after R, P, Q, R, S, T. T will come. After T, what is the first letter will come? E and R. It is nothing but 1. 120 plus 120, 240 plus 12, 252, 256, 257. What is the rank of the word? 257. This is how the students will solve it. Again, I am telling you, traditional method, anyway, we are not using this method. First, I will tell the approach. M-A-S-T-E-R. These are the total 6 letters. Arrange these letters in the alphabetical order. A-E-M-R-S-T. Step number 2. First, all the words that will start with A. Remaining 5 letters, 5 factorial. A over. Next it is E. Always come in the alphabetical order. E it is nothing but. Again 5 letters. We want with M. So A 5 factorial M. Next, after A and E, next it is M. First letter is fixed. Again come in the serial order. So after, what is the first letter that will come? A. We want MA. After A, what will come? E. Remaining 3 letters, it can be arranged in 3 factorial. I want till S. MA, E over. What is the next letter? R. What is the next letter? S. MAS we want. After S, MAS. What is the first letter that will come? E. Remaining 2 letters, 2 factorial. After E, it is R. Don't forget this order. AE. MRST. After E, which will come? R. Again 2. Again it is master. This is a very time consuming traditional method. The rank of the word is nothing but 257. Rank of the word is nothing but 257. Now listen carefully to Anil Nair's way of solving. Anil Nair's way of solving. Listen carefully, sir. As many questions as possible, we will solve it so that you will get the answer very, very fast. Step number 1. First, write down each letter as it is. M-A-S-T-E-R. Write down the number, alphabetical order in the sequence. A is the first letter, 1. In this order. First A will come, A, B, C, D, E. Second E will come, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. This 3 will come, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. R, S, T. This is the 4th letter. R, S, T. This is the 5th letter. This is the 6th letter. Right? Give an alphabetical order. A is the first letter, 1. Next one, A, B, C, D, E. After E, A second letter is E. After E, M will come. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. R, S, T. 3, 1, 5, 6, 2, 4. Step number 2. Come from the rightmost. Start the factorial numbers in a serial order. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 5 factorial. Starting from right to left, write down the factorials in the serial order. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Step number 3. Step number 3. Now see here. Listen carefully. Step number 3. Go to M. What is the numerical value? 3. How many values are there to the right side of 3 which are less than 3? 1 is less than 3. 5 is not less than 3. 6 is not less than 3. 2 is less than 3. 4 is not less than 3. How many numbers to the right side of that alphabet are less than 3? 1 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. So how many numbers? Write down 2. Again, go to the second one. 1. How many numbers to the right side of A are less than 1? 5 is not less than, 6 is not less than 2. None of the numbers are less than 1. 0. Go to the third one. Third one, it is 5. How many numbers to the right side of 5 are less than 5? 6 is greater than 5. 2 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Two numbers are less than 5. Next one, 6. How many numbers to the right side are less than 6? 2 is less than 6 and 4 is also less than 6. Again, two numbers. Again, go to 2. How many to the right side are less than 2? 4 is not less than 2. Here it is 2. Is this clear? 2 0 2 0 2 2 0 0. Is this clear? Again, I am explaining step number 3. Go above 3. How many numbers to the right side of 3 are less than 3? 1 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. Write down 2. Go to the next number. How many to the right side of 1 are less than 1? 5 is 6, 2, 4, 0. How many are less than 5? 2 and 4. How many are less than 6? It is multiply step number 2 and 3. 5 factorial, 122s are, which is 240. 24 zeros are 0. 6 2s are, which is 12. 2 2s are, which is nothing but 4. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 256. Add 1 to the final answer. Answer is nothing but 257. Answer is nothing but 257. I hope the idea it is clear. Listen very carefully, sir. First letter of the word, step number 1. Write down the number sequencing according to the alphabetical order. A is the first letter in this one. Second letter that will come in is in E. Next it is M. 3, 1, 5, 6, 2, 4. I hope it is clear. Let me do one more question. Then it will be very, very clear to you. Write rank of the word. Forget about this question. Answer is 257. I hope it is clear, right? Right. Let us do one more question. Second. What is the rank of the word second? Step number 1. Write down the alphabets. S, E, C, O, N, D. Write down the number sequencing in the serial order. A, B, C. First C will come. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. N, O. These is nothing but N, O. P, Q, R, S, T. So, these is the number 63152. I hope it is clear. 631542. Step number 2. Let write down from 0 factorial in the serial order. 0, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 5 factorial. Write down in the serial order. Step number 3. I hope it is clear. Step number 3. If it is 6, how many numbers are there to the right side of 6 are less than 6? 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. These is nothing but 5. How many numbers are less than 3 to the right side of 3? 1 is less than, 2 is less than, which is nothing but 2. How many numbers are right side are less than 1? These is nothing but 0. How many numbers are to the right side which are less than 5? Which are nothing but 2. Which is nothing but 1. These is nothing but 0. Then multiply 120 into 5, which is 600. 4 factorial is 24 into 2, which is 48. 6 into 0, 0. 2 factorial, 2 into 2, 4. 1 factorial, which is nothing but 1. 600, these 1 into 0, 0. 48 plus 5, 53. 653. 653. Add 1 to it. Answer is nothing but 654. Answer is nothing but 654. Let me take few more questions. I hope this idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this idea it is clear. Any doubts are there? Kindly mention. Any doubts? Kindly mention. Right? Any doubts? Kindly mention. Any doubts? Kindly mention. I am just checking if there are any other questions that can be formed. Previous question answer is 257, which is not there. Right? All the options are incorrect. 255, 256, 720, 129. Answer is nothing but 257. Answer is nothing but 257. I hope the idea it is clear. Kindly, last step, add 1 to it. Last step, add 1 to it. Last step, add 1 to it. What if the letters of the word are repeated? That also we will see. Everybody kindly. Step number 3, how many are there to the right side which are less than 6? I hope the idea it is clear. One more final example. We will solve it. Ajit, try to solve, sir. The rank of the word Ajit. Step number 1. First we will see step number 1, where the letters of the word are not repeating. These nothing but A. Here it is J. Here it is I. Here it is T. And here it is H. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. G, H, I, J, K, L. G, H. 1 minute. Let's go very, very slowly, sir. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. 1, 4, 3, 5, 2. Step number 2. Write down in the serial order. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and 4 factorial. Step number 3. How many are to the right side which are less than 1? None of them are less than. How many are less greater? 2 and 3, which is 2. How many are less than 3, which is 1? How many are less than 5, which is 2? It is 0. These is nothing but into. 24 into 0, 0. 6 into 2, which is 12. 2 into 1, it is 2. 1 factorial into 1, 1. 12 plus 2 plus 1, which is 50. Add 1 to it. 15 plus 1, it is nothing but 16. I hope you have understood how to find out the rank of the word. How to find out the rank of the word. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Is the idea clear, right? Now, suppose the same thing in the numerical value also. What is the rank of the word? Numerical value 35614. What is the rank of the numerical value? 35614. What is the rank of the numerical word? 35614. First step number 1. 35614. This is the first thing that will come. Here it is the second thing. Here it is the third thing. Here it is the fourth thing, and here it is the fifth thing. This is the order of the numerical value. Step number 2, which is 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and 4 factorial. Step number 3, how many are to the right side which are less than 2? Only 1. How many are to the right side of 4 which are less than 4? Which is 2. How many are to the right side of 5 which is less than 5? 2. How many are to the right side of 1 which is less than 3? These is nothing but 0. So 4 factorial. 24 ones are 24. 6 twos are, which is nothing but 12. 2 factorial into 2, which is 2. These is nothing but 0 plus 0. 14. 14 plus 24, 38. 38. Is there any mistake which I did? Please check it out. These 6 twos are, these nothing but 2 twos are, it is 4. 2 2s are, it is nothing but 4. Calculation mistake, please don't do it. These nothing but it is 4. So 16 plus 24, 40. What is the rank of the numerical value? 41. Everybody kindly reply if this logic is clear to you. Is this logic clear to you? Kindly reply. Right? These, please don't do as per the dictionary and everything. We will do right in this method. Is this clear? Everybody kindly reply. Is this logic clear to you? I want each and every student to kindly reply if this logic is clear to you. All conceptual contents are right, instead of writing based on the dictionary order, which is very time consuming. Rank of the word, it is nothing but 41. Next one. Sir, what if the letters are repeated? First I will do it for this banana, then you do it for mirror, then you do it for mirror. Absolutely one small change, you will get the answer. Step number 1. First write down the letters of the word in the sequential order. B-A-N-A and it is N-A. Step number 1, B-A-N-A. N-A. Now write down the letters in the alphabetical order. A will come first. A will come first. Here A will come first. A, B, C, D. Again 2 will come first. Again it is nothing but 3. First step remains the same. 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Step number 2. Write down in factorial starting from 0. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 5 factorial. Step number 2. Only small change will be there in step number 3. Please see here, sir. What is that change? We will see. Suppose starting from 2 to the right side, how many are less than 2? How many are less than 2? 3 are less than 2. Generally, we will write 3 here. Now, divided by. Start from 2. How many ones are repeated? Including that 2. How many ones are repeated? Ones are repeated 3 times. So, it is 3 factorial. How many 3s are repeated? It is nothing but 2 factorial. So, again step number 3. How many values are to the right side of 2 which are less than 2? How many are to the right side which are less than 2? 1 it is less than 2, 1 it is less than 2, 1 it is less than 2. Top numerator remains the same. Next one, start with 2. 1 is repeated how many times? 3 factorial. 3 is repeated how many times? 2 times. Again go to the second one. How many are to the right side of 1 which are less than 1? Which are less than 1? 0. No change. Go to the 3 factorial. How many are to the right side of 3 which are less than 3? 1 and 1. It is 2. Include that number. How many 3s are repeated? 2 times it is repeated. How many 1s are repeated? 2 times it is repeated. 2 by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Next go to this one. How many are to the right side which are less than 1? 0. How many are to the right side of 3 which are less than 1? Which is nothing but less than 3, which is 0. Here also it is 0. These denominator should be extremely clear, sir. Again I am repeating. First, how many numbers are there to the right side of 2 which are less than 2? 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. So 3 divided by. From that number take. So how many ways it will be there? 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. 3 is repeated twice. 1 is repeated thrice. So, I wrote it. Step number 4 is nothing but multiplication. 5 factorial is 120 into 3 by. 3 factorial it is 6. 2 factorial it is 2. Plus 0. These nothing but 3 factorial it is 6. 2 by 2 into 2 it is 4. Next it is into 0. Into 0. Into 0. 12 tens are, so it is nothing but 30. These nothing but 3. These nothing but 3. So I got 30 plus 3, 33. Any other case is there? Please see. 120. 1 is less than, right? Which number it is? Which number you are taking? Here it is 3. How many are less than 3? 1 and 1. So I wrote 2. 2 by 2 factorial and it is 2 factorial. How many are less than 1? Which number you are taking, BMR Reddy? So 30 plus 3, 33. Add 1 to it. The rank of the word banana. This is the final answer. Any doubts are there? Please mention. Any doubts are there? Please mention. One more question which we will solve. Mirror. Listen carefully, sir. Mirror. MIRROR. Step number 1. First write down the letters MIRR0R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I is first. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So, these 444. 444. I hope it is clear, right? In this one, any case is missing? Any case it is missing. How many numbers? These nothing but 1. Sorry. These nothing but 1. So, 33, 34. 34 plus 1. Answer is nothing but 35. Here one case is there. Here one case it is present. Please make a note, sir. One case it is present. Idea it is clear, right? So 30 plus 3 plus 1, 34. 34 plus 1 is 35. So how many numbers are there to the right side of 3 which are less than 1? Which is 1. Idea it is clear, right? Idea it is clear? Any doubts or you want me to explain again, right? Or probably one more time I will explain. Step number 1. Step number 1. Write the letters of the word in the sequential order. B-A-N-A-N-A. A is the first letter. So it is 1. B is the second letter. It is 2. D is nothing but the third letter. Step number 2. Write down the factorials in the sequential order starting from right to left. 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Step number 3. How many numbers are there to the right side of 2? Right side of 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. 3 numbers are there. 1 is written 3 times, 3 factorial. 3 is written 2 times. It is 2 factorial. How many numbers are there to the right side of 1? Nothing. It is 0. How many numbers are there to the right side of 3 which are less than 1? Which is 2. 3 is written twice. 1 is also written twice. How many numbers are there to the right side of 1 which are less than 1? 0. How many numbers are there to the right side of 1 less than 3? It is 1. It is nothing but 0. Simple, sir. It is 5 factorial. It is into 5 factorial into 3 by 6 2s are 12 plus these 0. 3 factorial it is 6. 2 by 2 into 4. These nothing but 1. 12 tens are which is nothing but 3. 34. Add 1 to it. 34 plus 1 35. I hope the idea it is clear. Even the letters of the word are duplicated. You can do it. Step number 1. Mirror. I hope it is clear. I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Step number 2. Step number 2. Start from 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 5 factorial. Step number 3. How many are to the right side of 2 which are less than 2? 1 it is less than. So it is one number. One number. How many are identical? 4 3s are identical. 1 factorial by 3 factorial. How many are to the right side of 1 which are less than 1? None of them. How many are to the right side of 4 which are less than 4? There is one number. 4 is, it is 3 factorial. How many are to the right side of 4 which are less than? Here it is 1. 1 by 2 factorial. How many? It is 0. These 0. These 120 by 6 plus 0. 6 by 6. It is 1. It is 1. These 22. Add 1 to it. I will get 23. Is this idea clear to you? How to find the rank of the word if the letters are repeated and the letters are not repeated? I hope the idea it is clear, right? Everybody kindly reply if this idea it is clear to you. Is this idea clear to you? Kindly reply. Everybody. Even if he ask a question, please try to solve the question. What is the rank of the numerical value? What is the rank of the numerical value? 34122. Please try to solve. 34122. What is the rank of the numerical value? 34122. Step number 1. Once you understand, these are all easy questions, sir. 34122. In case if you are a non-enrolled students, probably you should buy this course, right, to get all the shortcuts. 34122. This is the first value. This is the second value. This is the third value. And it is the fourth value. Fourth value, right? I hope it is clear, right? 34122. First 1 I will write, then 2 I will write. Step number 2. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial and 4 factorial. Step number 3. How many are to the right side of 3 which are less than 3? Totally 3 numbers are there. So 2 are identical, 2 factorial. How many are to the right side of 4 less than 4? 3 numbers are there. 2 are identical, 2 factorial. How many are to the right side? 0. How many are to the right side? 0. How many? It is 0. So 24 into 3 by 2 plus 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1. I hope it is clear. Everybody, I hope the idea it is clear. Rank of the word, I hope it is clear. So, rank of the word we did it. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of 2 factors we did it. Sum of factors we did it. And then how to find out the number of odd factors, even factors and other logics which we did it. Other logics also